Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And tonight, we have a real special guest in the building. You know who we have? We have Mr. Singy Singy, Mr. TARRUS RILEY in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
T-4000.
Okay, so you said
bless up. Respect. Yeah. Enough love, Canada. Bless up.
Right. Big up yourself. All right, so then let's just jump right into it then. What does this T-4000 stand for?
It's an energy, it's a mood. I describe myself, you know?
Yeah.
I know you heard about Andre 3000.
Of course.
Well, this is TARRUS 4000.
God, yeah.
Yeah, man, but it's just energy, you know? It's just all about... And as a creative person, I always grow and just keep pushing myself to be creative.
Yeah.
And that's one of the things I loved about Outkast and that group. So it's just like, you know, sometimes you hear me say Singy Kravitz.
Yeah.
Can you know about Lenny Kravitz, but you have Singy Kravitz.
Yeah.
You know? So these are the smiley moods, you know. Sometimes you have Singy Kravitz mood.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a different mood, but right now it's just T-4000.
T4. And how long?
It's just about newness and fresh and just a whole approach at life, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Have a good time. We're here, you know what I mean? My father passed away, and from that time, you know, we don't want to take things so serious. We want to have a good time.
Yeah.
Because when it's time to get serious, we will be serious.
Definitely.
So,
that's
you know what I mean?
the militancy.
Yeah, so a T-4000, man, a good vibration.
So that's what we're at for summer 2019.
Right through the rest of the life.
All right. T-4000.
Yeah, man.
All right.
High energy.
High energy.
Yeah.
Let me ask you then, how did you even get your name TARRUS RILEY?
My mother gave me it as a nickname.
Okay.
Because I'm a Tarian.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But then at the time, the artists that we look up to, like Buju, Shabba.
Yes.
The rough name them.
Yeah.
So when my mother said TARRUS, I said, wow, I'm going to get a rough name.
Yeah.
And then I find out them have a gun named TARRUS.
Yeah.
And that was it. I was sold, you know, Liquor Boy in Jamaica love Cowboy show and Mafia show. And I said, wow, gun named TARRUS. That's my name.
Right there, like that.
Yeah, and then, you know, it's musical shots. Because, you know, we never really do gun lyrics so much. But, you know what I mean? It's more just musical shot. And once again, just high energy. You know what I mean? Coming forward, yeah.
Definitely.
So cool. And then Riley, no? My name Riley.
That's really your last name.
Yeah, everybody know that.
Okay.
When we used to DJ, dancehall, hardcore DJ vibes.
That's what I was going to
ask. It was just TARRUS alone.
Yeah.
But I mean, even my grandmother, rest in peace, called me TARRUS.
Okay.
So I can't change my name.
Yeah.
That is TARRUS.
Okay.
It's that nickname. Everybody call me TARRUS.
So you used to actually DJ before singing? Did you actually record anything, or it was just strictly freestyling for your friends?
No, man, that's no secret. My father have songs released on this label Love Promotion.
Yeah.
With me DJing and Main Street Records, Danny Brownie.
Okay.
I have a song with me, a big song called Screwface with me DJing also. So
and
that was just
TARRUS.
Yeah, TARRUS. Yeah, man.
I got it.
So you know, yeah, man, we've been doing it. You know what I mean? You know, I'm old enough to know what I want, but I'm still a youth. Cause we start early. You know what I mean?
For sure.
We're a dancehall baby, so I couldn't relate to singing. So for me, it was more about dancehall and DJing.
For sure.
Yeah.
And I guess then, who were some of your early influences outside of actually your father?
Well, I told him, Buju Banton, Shabba Ranks, Ninja Man, Sizzla Kalonji.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, Capleton. Like, everyone have a different influence. Cause remember now, Ninja Man are the general when it comes to stage show thing.
Yes.
You know, every artist have them, even on the wall here, you see so much artists, Lucian, like a lot of artists influence me.
Yeah.
And not only in reggae, but everything named art influence me.
Okay.
I don't unfair for really call names because me can't put all of the names them right here. Time will run off.
Because clearly you're really an artist, musical artist, but you're an artist, a pure artist in your heart.
Well, thank you. As a compliment, thank you.
For sure.
But we love it. We love make music and we love create things from scratch.
Yeah. And you've always been that way?
As far as I know myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always been a creator. So even, what did you want to be growing up?
I don't want to be nothing.
Yeah. Right.
I don't want to be anything. I am who I am.
As a kid, you never said you wanted to be
I never want to be. I never want to be anything.
Fighter.
No, sir.
No.
The only thing I like law. I used to like watching like the law movies with my father.
Okay.
And so the man have lyrics.
Yeah.
But then I couldn't want to be because I still was always singing and love music and follow my father to the studio.
Yeah.
And that was really the most thing I felt passionate about that the most. It's just music all day, every day.
Yeah.
So that's why I say I can't want to be, because I was singing in the shower, singing washing the plate, singing sweep out the house, singing. DJ when me do my homework. Like, you know, it's just music always.
Singing.
Yeah, right.
And you've been that way from as long as you can remember.
I'm a noisy person with music.
Yeah.
You have to know when I'm home.
Who are somebody right now, your playlist? What's on your playlist outside of your work right now? What do you listen to?
I'm not tell them.
How come?
I don't feel like it.
Okay, fair enough. I can live with
But
that.
I'm very in tune. I love modern music. And you know, I know a lot about the music before because I've studied music and researched music. But I love modern music
Okay.
in every genre.
Yeah.
You know, there's something. All of it I don't, you know, but there's some nice song out.
Out of every genre, there's a couple that you're really feeling.
Especially reggae and dancehall for him.
Okay. All right. Because there's something I was speaking to you off the ear that I want to speak to you on the ear. Just today, I was watching something. I don't know what it was, and I discovered that you had tattoos. And that kind of shocked me. 'Cause I've never seen them before.
I lie, I tell on the camera.
Never tell a lie. I'm looking right in the camera. Never.
He's lying. Because he didn't see that anyway. He see me walking with a shirt and him say, "What, singer?" He didn't see it anyway. He see it right here. He was lying.
Okay, let's go with your version
No,
of the story.
about the truth. In my version, that's better.
Yeah, we'll go with your version of the story.
Yeah.
I just discovered your tattoos. You want to explain some of your...
Discover, you're Columbus. You Columbus to him.
Yes.
Yeah.
So your tattoos, so you want to...
What about them? You have tattoos?
No, I don't have any.
Why?
My skin is keloid skin.
Oh.
Yeah, so I don't have any.
Well, you know, it's like locks.
Yeah.
Everybody have them own thing with them dealing.
Yeah.
The Rastaman, let me tell you, say locks is a symbol of anti-colonialism.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a rebellion.
Yeah.
So this is something for myself. People who wear tattoos know what they mean. Some people, and just like you have Rastaman who a fashion dread.
Yeah.
You have other man who locks mean something.
Yeah.
So it's like tattoo.
Yeah.
And it is deeply rooted in African culture too.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And once again, the people who wear them and live the life know it is.
Yeah.
So you never really, it's not something for me like a promotion stunt.
Yeah.
But nah, bleach my skin.
No.
Yeah, so it's just a treading through earth, going to certain places, Hawaii, with Polynesian people and learning about the culture.
Yeah.
Africa, just learning. Someone may check it out, I like it.
You liked it?
Yeah, I say, yo, why you never do it before? Because you're afraid.
Yeah.
Afraid what? Afraid of what people tell you. But the same Rasta man, you see, go them locks and people fight against him.
Yeah.
So it's a personal
Black
thing
heart,
for myself, and who don't like it, don't have to like it. I didn't do anything to anyone.
Yeah.
Do it to myself.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
That's
it's
a
all
good way of looking at it. You did it to yourself.
My version of the truth.
Yeah. All right, you got me in that. That was a good one there. All right, you want to break down any of them and tell me exactly what any
No,
of them
because
stand
personal.
for?
Then my matter is personal.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you know,
Then we get it from there.
maybe if you see it on a picture, you have to do that for yourself.
Yeah.
But just think about it again. If you were supposed to put on something on your skin to last forever, couldn't be a joke.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But that's my personal
likely it
thing.
wouldn't be.
Like, come like you ask me what kind of soap me use.
Yeah.
That's like a personal thing, yeah.
Wow. No, didn't mean to get into it like that, but it's
No,
just,
but you know what I mean?
yeah.
No, man, it's for me.
Yeah. That's definitely it. All right, because I know right now you have out a new album.
Yeah,
called
EP.
B.L.E.M.
Yeah, yeah.
EP. Okay,
Yeah.
so let me, even before we even tell them the name, what's the difference between an album and an EP?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
But how it looks, it would appear that an EP has less songs.
Okay.
But the reason why, to me, is just music. You know what I mean? But them call it EP, someone start working with themselves.
I hear you.
But yeah, it have less songs. Like for example, these songs, them really sonically sound very, very heavy. You know what I mean? Them rough, you know. So I wouldn't want to infuse this in an album.
Yeah.
This would have to have its own lane. Like, you know, when you go in a supermarket, you have water there, you have juice there. You know, I mix it with juice and water. You know what I mean? So you just, what's the word, compartmentalize?
Yeah.
Put things so people can, you know what I mean, have a choice. And I didn't do it for everybody. I did it for the people who are who like new things and fresh things.
Yeah.
My message don't change. But I mean, if you like things one way, maybe you won't like this. Because me pushing different barriers, I can't do the same thing every day.
Yeah.
I have to be fresh. I'm an artist. I have to do something new. I have to sing a new song. I have to, you know what I mean? And I've been doing that. If you check Beware, it's different from Good Girl Gone Bad.
Yep.
If you check Superman, it's different from Far Away.
Yeah.
So I've always been like, if you check Powerful with Ellie Goulding, it's a rock ballad. So I've always been, my touch and Lego with different kind of genre of music. So this one is just a one say boof, see ya.
The whole body of, this was a whole body of work. I said this is your most experimental work that you've put in one body so far. That's how I see it. But let's talk about it. The name is called B.L.E.M. Blending Life's Experience Musically.
Yeah.
All right.
You know how I want.
Yeah. How did you even come up with the title?
But tell you the truth, you know, a Shane Brown come up with the name, you know.
Okay.
If we're on camera, I don't want to tell live on camera like you. Yeah, man, my brethren, Shem Brown, business partner, brethren, management, my name Link, very thick, you know what I mean? I'm give thanks to Shane. Day one, me and him up around there, I said, well, I just asked him to describe it. And him said, boy, singer is a blem, you know?
Yeah.
Because I give them everything, I give them R&B, I give them Afrobeat, but you just blem up the thing. And I said, but I like it, you know? And then we just say, like, I have a tune named G.y.a.L.
Yeah.
And it's not a disrespect, it's G.y.a.L, girl, you are loved.
Yep.
So it's alright, what blem mean? Because in Jamaica we don't say blend, we say blem.
Got you.
You see?
All right, I get you. And
so
that's
it's also showing your culture to people too, you know?
All right, so let's break down that EP quickly and let's go through each track because it's 6 tracks.
All right. The 6 is real, you know?
Of course. And where are you right now? Where are we recording this?
Yeah, in Toronto.
All right, right here.
The 6 is real, yeah.
All right, the first track is called Feel It. All right, break down that track for them.
When I have to break it down, we can build it up and lift it up.
Yeah.
And turn it up.
Lift it up and turn it up and make them feel it.
So the project is produced by Easy Beats. The full project is produced by Easy Beats.
Okay.
And Feel It describe itself. You know, when you hear the music, you're going to feel it. Simple.
Just like that.
Yeah, man.
Makes sense. All right. And you brought up the one already, G.y.a.L. Girl, You Are Loved. That features Stonebwoy.
From Ghana. Big up. Ghana massive, Africa massive.
How did that collabo come around?
Well, a long time, me and Stonebwoy was supposed to sing a song.
Okay.
And this was the perfect opportunity. And it's cool because I've been listening to Afrobeat long before it become mainstream.
Yeah.
It was cool, you know, me just got to some African party and some of my brethren them putting me onto the music.
Okay.
So it's cool for you know, so we do an authentic one.
Yeah.
You know, when I try to do a knockoff, I don't like knockoff things, you know.
Were you trying to force it?
We're not forcing
it. Just
nothing.
naturally worked.
Yeah, and not only that, we do it sincere, you know. We have, you know, we're brethren, Stonebwoy for years, we want to do something, we do it. Yeah. And, you know, it's cool. Once again, Easy Beats, you know, Easy Beats, them beat, you know. Them beat. Yeah.
I would say possibly.
It's a treat.
I'd say possibly that's the lead single off the EP.
It was the first one you hear.
Yeah. So that would be, according to me, the lead then.
Yeah, G.y.a.L. And do you remember it's G.y.a.L, girl, you are loved.
Yep.
And when a man I say, yo, I'm a G.y.a.L, you know. Yeah. I'm not a styler, I'm really sure I say, yo, that's my girl. I'm really check for her. Yeah, man.
I like how you could flip in and out of the Yankee and the Yard same way, one time.
Well, it's one world, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I know when you're Yankee come like some colony people where did a fire gun shop in Indian, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I know about that.
The American and the Patois.
Yeah, and Canadian and British and all of that. Is it what?
B.L.E.M.
It's a B.L.E.M.
B.L.E.M.
Out of many one people.
I get you.
Kryptonite, Superman. Every man weak to woman.
Yeah.
That's what I was dealing with.
Yeah.
So the man said, this woman I give me a headache like she want me mad.
Yeah.
You know, every man weak to a woman, you know.
Yeah.
But still you can't live with them, you can't live without them.
That's just
like
life,
we just love them up, yeah, man.
I got you. All right. The next one is Dangerous Waters.
Big song.
Yeah.
Me and Lila Ike.
Yep.
A great girl. Big song, love song. You know, me sing nice love songs. But me now sing Baby Baby Take Off Your Clothes.
Yeah.
So it's a nice love story.
That's your own there. All right. Trust Issues. That's a big one there. I've never actually heard
a man sing about that.
Yeah.
Just like when I say, oh, if you beat you, I want to take your clothes off. Yeah. I never hear a man sing about that neither. That's why I have to be what I am.
T-4000.
T4, brother. Cause guess what now? A lot of things man want to sing, but them afraid to sing.
Yeah.
And a lot of things sound good coming from a man perspective. So you don't know, trust issues. Every girl have trust issues because man deal with them wicked. And every man have trust issues because you have some wicked woman out there also. So we live in a world where nobody don't trust anybody.
Yeah.
Somebody just write about the song, you know, easy again, great vibes. There's the woman them have trust issues, you know.
So how is it that you could actually mentally put yourself in like third person and feel like it will come from a different perspective?
Well, if I tell you that you won't need me anymore, I have to keep the recipe.
I can't sing.
Yeah, but I'm not tell you because people watching. I'm not give the secret sauce.
All right. I got you. Fair enough. The last one on the LP, on the EP, Just Love.
Yeah, we have more than one version of that song.
Okay.
It's a real big song. So, you know, when you hear the words, it explain themselves. All we need is Just Love. Simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right. And you remix it, or there's different versions of it that you had?
Yeah, because we have a lot of lyrics. We couldn't use 3 minutes and talk about it.
Yeah.
So I have one of the whole heap of lyrics talking about it. Go. So it's Just Love.
Yeah. What I like with this EP it's very easily consumable.
Thank you.
It's about 20 minutes.
All right.
Yeah, you
fire.
can and you can consume it. As I said, it takes you basically what you did. It takes you all over the world. Let's go to the U.S. Let's go to Africa. Let's go to Jamaica. Let's go to Canada. Yeah.
England.
Yeah. And I felt it. I felt like I actually went traveling with you, and I seen what you seen through your eyes, but I heard it through my ears.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. And that's really what you were trying to display with this EP.
Well, I wasn't trying,
Yeah.
I do it, you know.
Yeah. All right. What I want to ask you about is performances. All right.
All right.
How important to you is performance opposed to creating the music in the studio to performing it live for the people?
Well, how important is it to you?
Yeah.
You tell me. You are an artist now and you love music and you come to a concert now. How important is it to you?
Yeah. To show what you could do to bring actually the music to life, it's a totally different ballgame. But it's an art that a lot of people can't do or not even know about. That's what I found. It's a lost art.
You need to ask me that. You know the question and the answer.
Right.
It's just, I'm an independent artist.
Okay.
From day one to right now.
Okay.
Never a record deal with anybody.
Okay.
So all of the quote-unquote success or anything that you want to call like that, I get it from people, love and support.
Yeah.
So I don't take it for a joke when I go to a concert to sing for people, because that is my source. That's my energy. That is the reason why I'm here doing an interview. Because I don't have no big marketing. I don't have no Illuminati plan. I just sing some songs and people like them. Yeah. So I really value the people who, I can't even say fans, because fans lack off.
Yeah.
But people right through give me love and support.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so but that's when we go up on a stage show, we just want to give the people them what we can.
Yeah. And you definitely love that art form because it's an art, A lot of people don't realize that writing music is an art, singing is an art, and performing is another art that a lot of people would have two, but they don't have the third one.
Well, that's why I'm an artist.
Yeah. A true artist.
We give thanks.
Yeah.
Because you lie. I tell my boy, you see something.
Okay, so you're not going to forgive me for that one.
I forgive you. I'm just being clear.
You're just making it clear for them to know.
No, me and you know about.
Yeah. And that's good to go. All right. What else could we expect from summer 2019 from Mr. Riley?
Well, it's all about the B.L.E.M. We have the songs that you talk about. We're going to do visuals for them. We're going to tour and perform them. So I'm a nice man. I want some music. My other songs out, and I have a song out with Governor and Theme Project coming out.
Yes, I see that.
I sang them unanswered, a real bad tune produced by my family, Chimney Records.
Okay.
Me and Chimney never miss.
Yeah.
And I have music out, man. My brother Remus, that's Fatty's son.
Yep.
Yeah, big up Remus, I'm a friend, I'm a family. Him have a song them Every Nation, where him sample Sizzla Kalonji, them a Wanda.
Okay.
Of TARRUS RILEY, g.y.a.l and Chino. That's also fire.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We have music, man. We have whole heap of music.
Wow.
Whole heap of music. And my album is on the way still. So I'm sorry for you if you're tired of me now. I don't know what you're going to do. Because I'm coming with fire.
Yeah.
I have a song Guess Who, when I give a version of the Guess Who's Coming to Dinner with Michael Rose. When I get like a rap song, I come to match at that place. I'm going to take him.
I seen that.
Yeah. At T-4000.
I seen the skills, especially on
At T4. At T-4000, brother.
Listen, you showed singing, you showed rapping, and you showed DJing all in one B.L.E.M.
Yeah, music. It's just music.
Yeah.
And people like music, and I like music.
Yeah.
We make music. Simple thing of the blessing. I'm a brother again, conscience, a big song that.
Big song.
Yeah, so what's up, y'all, and get the B.L.E.M.
Yeah. Tarrus, you've been so amazing so far.
Thank you.
When it comes to actually, you've been in the business, professionally about how long now?
But born and grown in the music, but professionally.
As Tarrus Riley.
All right, well, check out Do the Match. They Can't Hide. Parables would be my second album.
Yes, that I do know.
Yeah, which is a breakthrough album. Because you have Beware, She's Royal, Stay With You, Lion Paw, Something Strong. Hit album, right? That released, 2007, October 31st, or something like that.
2007.
Yeah, and become popular 8 and 9 and so.
Okay.
Or even 2006 probably, but it just go on.
Yeah.
So that was like the breakthrough part of when I deal it. So I'm 30 enough, but I'm still rough.
I hear you.
Yeah, my old man said there's something still tough.
That's what I like about you, because I figure as a Rasta, you're supposed to just walk around Holy Selassie and
well, I don't
that's all you're
Selassie
supposed to talk about.
I'm not left Selassie. I talk about it a lot, but you know, listen.
Yeah.
When I say I know the king and queen crown same time. I'm talking about Haile Selassie and Empress Menen.
Yeah.
But you want me to say it your way.
Yeah.
Me not do that.
No, but I know when you go into the song, because you have so many levels when it comes to Taurus Riley, you're very complicated. And
That's
a lot
not
of people.
a nice thing to be complicated.
Of course.
No, I don't like that song.
Okay.
Find
you're
an
very
extra
intriguing.
It sound too heavy. Like it so simple, people. Make it simpler.
All right. You have many layers.
No, I don't like that, you know.
Yeah. Okay. What?
Come on, I lift up the layer around now.
You don't have to lift it up, you know.
Listen, I'm just a whole person. I'm a regular whole person with different moods and attitudes. Sometimes you're happy, sometimes you're sad, sometimes you're hungry, sometimes, you know what I mean? Music is what feelings sound like.
Yeah.
So that me I deal with.
That's the best answer I've ever heard anybody say in my entire life.
Music
Yeah.
is what feelings sound like.
That is amazing.
Well, I mean, hey, a T-4000.
I think if I could stop interviewing ever, that would be the best way to stop it ever. Say it one more time for me.
If you use it, give me credit, you know.
Yeah.
Or else.
100%.
My virgin and come for you.
I got my lawyers.
This is Tarrus Riley, and I'm letting you know that don't feel no way. We make music for every mood, because music is what feelings sound like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now we're in the dub studio. How important are dubs to you?
Dubs is fun, man. It's just fun, you know. We grow under sound culture, and within sound culture, should I say. You know, when they sing dub plate, virgin them have a sound, play a song, kill a sound, you know. We don't want to kill people, so sound clash make it just like sports.
Yeah.
Like how your side kill my side in the finals.
Yeah.
But you know, check on.
And I guess that's where you get to express certain things you wouldn't say in a regular song. You could say it in a
No,
dub.
I mean that's still me. But you know, dub business, you know, it's hardcore, dancehall culture.
Yeah.
So you know.
All right.
Yeah.
Last question before I get you out of here. Social media.
Yeah.
How important is social media to you?
You tell me you have me in front of a camera ready to do a podcast.
Yeah.
How important
To
is
me, it's very important. But
Why?
I'll tell you why. Because you get to interact with a lot of people one-on-one.
But I see people every day.
But what if thing there? If I leave a comment under one of your pictures, the fact that you
I don't
even
must
like
see
it,
it.
I know, but the fact that you even like it,
But I
that
must
makes
like
somebody's. But if you did, or somebody on your team liked it,
Yeah.
that makes the person that left it feel extra special, like you actually care.
So about the people who like to troll and get problems.
They're looking for attention.
Yeah, so me don't like give unnecessary things attention.
Do you actually control your own social
Yeah,
media?
man. Yeah, man. It's all good.
Yeah.
Social media is that thing that make the world smaller. So you know, once upon a time, people in Africa would want to know what you're doing in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Now they can look on their phone.
It's
So it's
so
pros
crazy.
and cons. But then once again, people like me who love privacy,
Yeah.
sometimes I don't always love it. But I mean, it's the way of the world, and we have to learn how it go and use it as an instrument.
Yeah.
You know, so
All right.
it's all good.
Give them your handles before we get you out of here.
You know, them can't handle me.
Give
no
them
handles.
Okay, if they
I want to my heart. It's better at that. A woman have love handles to write on the side. I can't talk about handles.
your social media handles. Like
They
as
not
in-
like how you say it.
Okay. Can you please give them your name on Instagram, Facebook,
But them
or
know.
Twitter?
Tarrus Riley, J.A. As long as you spell my name correctly,
Yeah.
you're good. Tarrus. Remember no? Tarrus.
Yeah.
Riley.
Yeah.
And Instagram is what Tarrus Riley, J.A. Them kind of thing there. And you can use, because you have a lot of teeth on the internet too,
Yeah.
with different websites. But if you just pay attention to the page, you could say, okay, the one with the most followers is my page.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Simple, yeah, man.
I think they have the blue verification on your page.
Yeah, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So
Official.
then clearly it's you.
Yeah.
Mr. Riley,
Respect my boss.
all the while, thank you so very much. It's been amazing. Next time you're back in the city, actually, there's a lot of other stuff that I want to sit down with you for about an hour.
You want to know more things?
There's so much more I want.
Brother, you know
So
too
much more.
You have to take
But
your time.
right now, we're just going to end it right here because, as I said, you've been an amazing guest. Like the grapes, the cherries, all that good stuff.
Yeah,
we're inside of.
I'm swagging. You know?
Yeah, clearly. You know what I mean?
By the bar.
We're
Yeah,
inside
big up, big up.
Einity Studios. Big up Ian and the entire crew over here.
Yeah.
They definitely made us comfortable and somewhere to work. Mr. Riley, it's been amazing. Thank you so very much. This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Huts Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Singy Tarrus Riley, T-4000. You know the thing. We have muscle also, But I'm muscleless. But we're no weak, hear that? Bless up and give thanks to my family, my friends, and enough love. And do remember, you're a singer, It's you're a singer, Tarrus Riley, you're a singer. Because music is what feelings sound like. So I give you a song for every mood.
Wicked. Music is what feelings sound like.
Says
Mr. Taurus Riley.
Me never next man said, but me I said pan that camera, yeah.
Yeah. Big up yourself again, big boss. Yeah. Big up. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.